You see, for inside the Bible, it get plenty names. As they call them, now so you go to hear Ayah, Ayah, Ayah. Like Isaiah, Jeremiah, Obadiah, Josiah, Jecoliah, Zephaniah, Shemaiah, Uzziah, Amaziah, Zechariah, Ananiah, Zedekiah. Some of them, they be good people. Some of them, they be bad people. The one way good, now them are they call Good-aiah. The ones way bad, now them are they call Bad-aiah. I come talk say, make we all be Good-aiah, so make we not be Bad-aiah. Oh yeah, everybody follow Pastor Caleb. Sing.
Be a Good-aiah. Don't be a Bad-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Oh yeah.
Don't be like Lucifer. He's a Bad-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Let me hear you say one more time.
Be a Good-aiah. Don't be a Bad-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Everybody now.
Don't be like Lucifer. He's a Bad-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
You should be like Isaiah, Jeremiah, and Hezekiah. They were Good-aiahs like the Messiah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You should be like Josiah, Obadiah, and Nehemiah. They were Good-aiahs like the Messiah. Be a Good-aiah. Don't you be a Bad-aiah. Be like the Messiah. He's the Father Good-aiah. Can I hear you now? Hey.
Don't be a Bad-aiah.
Don't be a Bad-aiah.
Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Everybody,
don't be like Lucifer. He's a Bad-aiah.
He's a Bad-aiah.
A Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Be you black or white,
be a Good-aiah.
wherever you come from.
Don't be a Bad-aiah.
Oh yeah.
Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Whoever you be,
don't be like
Lucifer.
He's a Bad-aiah.
He's a Bad-aiah.
Be
A
a
Good-aiah like the Messiah. If you love your neighbor and you give him a helping hand, you are a Good-aiah like the Messiah. Oh yeah. If you show some kindness to the people around you, you are a Good-aiah like the Messiah. Oh no, yeah. Be a Good-aiah. Don't you be a Bad-aiah. Be like the Messiah. He's the Father Good-aiah. Can you sing with me?
Don't be a Bad-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Wherever you go now,
don't be like Lucifer. He's a Bad-aiah.
It's a Bad-aiah.
Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
You should be a Good-aiah.
Be a Good-aiah
like the Messiah. Oh yeah.
Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Wherever you be,
don't be like Lucifer. He's a Bad-aiah.
We know.
Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Don't you be like Uzziah, Sanballat, and Tobiah. They were Bad-aiahs like the Lucifer. Lord have mercy. Don't you be like Athaliah, Ananias, and Sapphira. They were Good-aiah like the father of liars. Oh no, no, no. Be a Good-aiah. Don't you be a Good-aiah. Don't be like Lucifer. He's the father Good-aiah. Can you say it loud?
Don't be a Good-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
Oh, oh, oh.
Don't be like Lucifer. He's a Good-aiah.
Never, 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 never be a
the
Good-aiah.
Messiah.
Let me hear you one more time.
Be a Good-aiah. Don't be a Good-aiah.
Whoever you
Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
wherever you come from,
Don't be like Lucifer. He's a Good-aiah. Be a Good-aiah like the Messiah.
everybody
Be a Good-aiah.
like Messiah,
A Good-aiah.
like Isaiah,
Good-aiah.
like Josiah,
Good-aiah.
like Zachariah,
A Good-aiah.
like Obadiah, like the Messiah, like Hosea. Good-aiah, never be Good-aiah.